Business Central version 23 preview comes with many new additions. One of my favorite is about page personalizations. So you might have seen already online this new option, the option that through personalization I can lock certain fields for editing. So here is an example looking at my customer card. I look, for example, at my credit limit, and here I got this other option, locked editing. Now my field is locked, and it's useful if you want to arrange your screen and pages so that you don't make accidental mistakes. However, page personalization, so using this feature on page personalization might not really be the best thing, because I can lock and unlock a field, and of course through permissions I cannot control specific fields. So I really have a gap here in terms of data access. So this is how I would use this functionality. I will use it on roles. So if I open my roles, which is like role centers, right? And then I enable the personalization and lock fields there. This is where I believe you will get most of the benefits. So for example, let's look at the accountant role, and let's use the customize pages option. Now Business Central opens a second browser page where I am in edit mode and customizing my accountant role. I want to open my customer page, customer cards, and now I can use lock editing when I personalize, or even better, I customize my account role. Once I'm happy, once I'm done, I can click done. I got this message that says that I am fine. And now my accountant role has got that personalization. I can then disable the personalization, so use and assign this accountant role as the default profile to users in accounting. This is particularly useful because before we, as consultants, recommended this option to hide certain fields, hide and show, right? But there are occasions where someone in accounting wants to see the customer credit limit, but at the same time, you don't want to give them permission, the option to change it. This may be for an accountant more important for someone in sales, right? So I would do the same for sale. I would do the same for sales. So lock fields from editing in this new version of Business Central, very powerful. My recommendation is don't really use it on page personalization unless you want to lock certain fields for editing so that you don't make mistakes. But if you really want to use that functionality to drive data access and have better control at company level, I suggest you use it on roles, so you can lock certain fields from editing on the role center, while at the same time giving your users the visibility so they can see the field and the field's value. More videos are coming. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see anything in particular. Talk later. Bye.